Hey everyone, Mario here, founder of Makeup by Mario. I am so excited to introduce to you all my new Ethereal Eyes eyeshadow palette. This is my first multi-finish palette and it features 12 gorgeous new shades and 3 stunning finishes. It's also my most personal creation as I have been literally dreaming this palette up in my mind for years. The color story, the textures, and I'm so excited for you all to use it. Stay tuned to see how I create a couple of my signature looks. The Ethereal Eye palette is super versatile, so it's very easy to create looks from natural daytime to full-on glam. Today, what I'm going to be doing is doing my Ethereal by Day look on you, which is super light, effortless, and airy. It's a great everyday look. So I'm going to be starting out with one of the suede mattes. I'm going to use shade number 9 with the E3 brush. And I'm going to go just right along your crease over here, and also going a little bit into the actual lid, and we're going to blend it out right afterward. It's a beautiful texture that allows you to build very effortlessly. And this is going to give you just a little bit of a natural contour to the eye. So I'm going to use again shade number 9. This is my E5 brush, and I'm mixing in a little bit of this beautiful dusty rosy tone. It's going to tone down the brown. And I'm just going to swipe this right along the lower lash line. So just taking a little bit of shade number 8, which is a beautiful modern metallic, and going right over that little smoky line that we did along the lower lash line. I'm just going to soften it a bit and add just a little bit of a beautiful metallic glow. Doing the same thing on top. Now using my E4 brush, which is a nice flat brush, it's great for the brow bone, I'm going to tap it into shade number 1. And I'm going to give you just a little bit of a natural highlight right along the brow bone. And then to finish off with the eyeshadows, I'm going to use my favorite texture, which is this gorgeous glossy shimmer. And this is shade number 10 here. This is a first of its kind formula. I'm just going to use my finger and I'm just going to tap right along the entire lid here. It's going to add a beautiful water-like reflection to the lid. So now I'm going to use the Perfect Brown pencil of my Master Pigment Pro pencils, and I'm going to just line your upper lids, actually not the bottom, because I want to keep this a natural daytime look. My signature lining technique is usually to line more so the outer corners than the inner corners, and this keeps the look more natural, but it also lifts the eye quite a bit. And then I'm going to flip the pencil and I'm going to just blend with the brush on the other end and soften that line. All right, so we have just applied mascara, but just before we finish, I'm going to take a little bit more of this shade number 10 here, tiny bit on the inner corners. And I'm just going to kind of lightly sweep right along the brow bone. And that is it. My Ethereal by Day look here, a really quick and simple version for you to recreate at home. And if you're interested in a more dramatic, full glam version, you can check out my video for the Ethereal by Night look. Thank you all for watching.